Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video is for traditional beef bourguignon. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. Now we take an oven proof casserole dish, and to that we're going to add some vegetable oil. We'll just let that warm up, and then we're going to add our cubed beef. We'll just brown the beef all over, turning occasionally just to make sure both sides are browned. Now once our beef's done, we'll remove that and we'll set that into a dish just for a few minutes until we cook the other vegetables. Now to our pan again, we're going to add some bacon, and then some chopped celery, some chopped onion, some diced parsnip, and some sliced carrots, some crushed garlic. We'll give that a stir around. We'll cook that for a minute or two just until everything starts to brown. Now we're going to add our red wine. I always use a good full-bodied red wine for beef bourguignon, and some brandy. Again, give that a stir around just to get all the flavours incorporated. We'll season with some salt and pepper, and then we'll return our beef to the pan. Now folks, if you're finding value in my videos, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel and it means I can make further videos for you. We'll bring that to the boil, we'll cover it with a lid, and then we'll pop it into a preheated oven, 150°C, 300 Fahrenheit or gas mark 2. And we'll cook it very slowly for about 3 hours until the meat is extremely tender. So now after 3 hours we'll just open it up. As you can see, our beef bourguignon is nice and thick. There's plenty of gravy, the beef's stewed. It's now time to serve. So we just serve our beef bourguignon with some either mashed potatoes or some crusty bread. So now folks, if you've enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.